In this film, we will show you how to replace the BILSTEIN B4 air suspension module on the rear axle of the Audi A8. Please be sure to follow the instructions shown in the film. Always replace air suspension modules pairwise. It is imperative to follow the manufacturer's instructions, e.g., regarding the replacement of screws and self-locking nuts, as well as the required tightening torques. When replacing air suspension modules, be sure to use the vehicle manufacturer's tools and equipment. Air suspension modules are left and right-hand parts. Check the parts for proper orientation before installing them. Take the air suspension module out of its packaging and check before you install it. Please refer to the installation instructions provided and check the expiration date. Before disassembling the air suspension module, measure the vehicle height from the wheel hub center to the bottom edge of the mudguard and record the value. Attention, the air suspension module must be intact for this. Lift the vehicle using the lifting device support points specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Thoroughly check all suspension components for defects. Attach the diagnostic device and establish the connection. Bleed the air suspension module completely with the help of the diagnostic device. Switch off the ignition. Always pull the ignition key when working on the air suspension module. Remove the wheels. Remove the wheel well fairing. Remove the coupling bar of the height sensor on the lower transverse control arm. Remove the lower fixing bolt of the air suspension module. Push the lower transverse control arm downward using a suitable tool and lift the air suspension module outward above the transverse control arm. Always wear protective equipment when working on the compressed air system. Clean the pressure line connection at the top of the air suspension module. Release the pressure line carefully until you hear the sound of escaping air and wait until there is no residual pressure left. Then remove the pressure line connector entirely and seal it. Be sure not to bend, twist, or squeeze the pressure line. Disconnect the plug connector of the electric cable of the air suspension module and remove the supply line from the retainers. Check the cable and connector for possible defects. Properly secure the air suspension module so that it cannot fall out and release the upper retainer. The air suspension module can now be removed. The new air suspension module is installed in reverse order of its removal. Attention! Do not tighten the suspension-relevant articulated screw connections on bearings before roadworthiness is restored. K0 position. Fit the new air suspension module and install the upper fastening screws following the vehicle manufacturer's instructions. Push the lower transverse control arm downward using a suitable tool and lift the air suspension module inward above the transverse control arm. Fit the lower fixing bolt of the air suspension module. Install the coupling bar of the height sensor to the lower transverse control arm. Release the locking screw on the pressure line connection of the air suspension module and remove it carefully. Remove the centrally inserted retainer of the cutting ring. Replace the locking screw and cutting ring on the vehicle's pressure line. Make sure the cutting ring is aligned properly. Mount the pressure line on the air suspension module. During installation, be sure to apply the torque specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Be sure not to bend, twist, or squeeze the pressure line. Connect the plug connector of the electric cable of the air suspension module and attach the supply line to the appropriate retainers. Attention! Never lower the vehicle from the lifting device completely with the air suspension depressurized. Attach the diagnostic device and establish the connection. Fill the air suspension module via the diagnostic device according to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Check the pressure line connection for leak tightness. The leak tightness of the entire system must be guaranteed. Attach the wheels properly. Use the lifting device to lower the vehicle until the wheels just touch the ground and start the engine. Let the engine run for at least 2 minutes and then lower the vehicle, engine running, to the previously measured level or to the series standard height. Activate the vehicle's lifting mode. Wait until the vehicle lifts itself up from the lifting device. Do not lower the lifting device completely before this point. Do not tighten the screw connections of the bearings before roadworthiness is restored, K0 position. Follow the specifications and torque values given by the vehicle manufacturer. Always perform an axle alignment after working on suspension parts.